Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video, I will show you how to hide a chat on Instagram. So to show that, I will show you in my mobile screen how to do that. So for that, open your Instagram account and go to message section here. And I will select any chat here. For example, you can see this user. So I will click on this and I will click on restrict. So as you can see, it is restricted. If I will go back, you will see that message is hidden from here. You can see in primary and in general. So it will be hidden, and to see that you need to go to a request and you will see that message here. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.